So we're moving to the interior portion of the Miata. We're going to start by removing this racing seat, and then this black tunnel cover is going to be removed, and we plan to refurbish it. As you can see here, over the years it's gotten some tear and wear. Once we remove that, we're going to gain access to these back panels here, where we plan to remove these rivets that you see going along that keep this in place. And what our objective is to retrofit them so we can have access, or easier access if necessary, during our racing. We were able to get the bolts off that are holding the seat together, and we are now going to remove the seat from the car.